everybody. This is Mrs. Woram, and I'm going to read one of my favorite books that I like to read with my own children. It's called Don't Push the Button. And right now, we might be a little good at pushing those buttons for our parents, so don't push your parents' buttons either. Make good choices. All right, so the book is written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Do not push the button. Sometimes when you're told not to do something, you want to do it. Nope. This way. I won't. Not yet. Seriously, don't even think about it. Fine. I won't think about it. Nope. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. I was kind of wondering that, too. Should I push it? No? Are you sure? Okay. I'll be a good girl. I won't push the button. No, we can't. We mustn't. Hey, we had that as a spelling word once. Psst. No one's looking. You should give the button one little push. All right, he told me to, so I'm going to push the button to see what will happen. Ooh. Oh, I'm so nervous. Ah! Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Not good with this camera. Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh, what do you think is going to happen when I push it a bunch of times? Uh-oh. I'm following the directions. He told me to do it. I kind of feel bad. Should have listened. Don't push the button. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Okay. Shake. Hope it helped. Whew. Almost. A little more. Okay. I hope it worked. Getting a workout. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get it back to normal. All right. Let's see. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push that button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Should I do it? Do you think so? All right. Beep, 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 beep. The end. This is such an awesome book. Imagine reading this with your family and the fun that you could have. All right, third grade, that's it for today. Signing off. Have a fantastic Friday. And remember, don't push the button.